following message is transmitted at the request of Logan County Emergency Management. At approximately 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time on February 11th, a train derailment would occur on the Union Pacific Railroad near the intersection of 1425th Avenue and County Highway 10, 2 miles southeast of Lincoln and just east of Interstate 55. Several rail cars that were carrying hazardous industrial chemicals were damaged, resulting in the release of these hazardous industrial materials into the atmosphere. Residents within a 3 to 5 mile radius of the derailment site, including the city of Lincoln, shelter in place immediately. Go indoors and remain inside. Turn off heating and ventilation systems that may draw air from the outside, and lock all windows and doors. If you are experiencing difficulty breathing, coughing, eye irritation, vomiting, shortness of breath, or any other symptoms you believe that may be due to chemical exposure, dial 911 immediately.